These monkeys are expert thieves. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, and there you go. Brazen, audacious. They've worked out exactly how to get what they want. Oh dear, oh dear. It's like taking candy from children, it really is. You're a bit of a gangster, aren't you? You fancy yourself as a bit of a sunglasses hitman? Look at him, look. Here he goes, here he goes. I've been undercover for about an hour. The monkeys have been stealing all sorts of stuff. Flip-flops, sunglasses. Managed to hang on to my own. People's hats. I'm told they even nick their iPhones. The interesting thing is, though, they're taking all of this stuff which is valuable to us humans, but they're not taking any food. Well, obviously I spoke too soon about my sunglasses. But this daylight robbery is still all about food, just not in the way that you'd ever expect. So to understand what they're up to, I'm giving them an irresistible opportunity. You see, these monkeys want something in return for my phone. They're notorious for one thing: holding people to ransom. Okay, he's got my phone, and there is a system by which I may be able to do this. Bartering. Okay, that's what it thinks of peanuts. Let's try something a little bit more valuable to it. Maybe a bag of bananas. Doesn't seem particularly interested in the bananas either, does he? The last prize that I have is this. Protein in the form of eggs. If anything's going to get my phone back, it's this.